In this tutorial, I am going to walk through how to create events in the WayWiser app. Once you have logged into your account, you'll want to select your family circle. Once selected, you can see the home page of your family circle. You'll want to press the Create button at the bottom right. You can either create a new post here or an event. This time, we will create a new event. You are able to title the event and pick a date. Below that, you can choose the time the event will take place. So let's choose ours for Friday at 6:30 p.m. until 8 p.m., a little family dinner. Those are all the things that you have to do in order to create an event, but you're also able to select a location, like so. Let's have a dinner at Olive Garden, and choose the nearest one that pops up. We can also write a description for everyone to see. Dinner with family to celebrate Grandpa's early birthday. Once you are happy with your event details, select Continue. Next, the selection will show up that asks if you'd like to notify or invite your circle members. Notifying members will send a notification to everyone in your circle, while selecting the Invite button will allow you to choose specific members of your circle to invite. Once you have selected everyone you want to invite, like so, press Finish, and you have successfully sent out an event invite. One other thing to remember is how to view your events and other events posted by your circle members. To do so, press the Events tab at the bottom left of the screen. It looks like a calendar. Here you'll see a month-by-month breakdown of all the events going on. As you can see here on the 29th is our event we created, the family dinner. If you want to see more information on it, go ahead and press it. You're also able to edit it by pressing the pencil icon at the top right of the screen. If you need to change anything, edit it as needed, and hit save when you're finished. You're also able to notify your circle members if it's a significant change, but if it's just a minor typo or something of the sort, you can just save them.